Here is a device that you can use to connect two IP cameras using one network cable. It comes as a pair in this manner. This side that has the two RJ45 connectors is what goes into your PoE switch this way, and through the Ethernet port here you can plug a network cable into this one, and then the network cable will then run to the location where your two cameras will have been located, and then you can plug it into the second part of the device. It will go this way, and so this part becomes readily available for your first camera, and you can as well plug another patch cord or another network cable into this port, which will also feed a second IP camera.